Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a review and unboxing of Team 95 Luigi and Guido. Especially Guido with that sign. Just so cute and adorable. You got to love it. But yeah, if you are new, please make sure to subscribe for new content like this coming pretty much every day or maybe every other day from now on. And yeah, fan favourites. Where is this series going? We don't know. But it's a bit of a weird one because some of these cars appeared in the movie, whereas some of these cars didn't. It's a bit confusing, I know, but we're just going to go with it and see where this goes. Most of these cars have been cancelled, like Lizzie, Fillmore, Fabulous Lightning McQueen with headset. Lots of them have been cancelled. If you haven't known from Disney Docket's video on these, you'll be able to tell. But yeah, without blabbering on too much, let's get on the review of Team 95 Luigi and Guido. We obtained these from a seller in the US. They were pretty cheap, of course, as these are now dropping in price, but they're still pretty rare and probably about worth 35 to 40 quid. We do have some on our eBay account to sell, so if you want to buy them in the UK, I'll give you the link to our eBay account, but that's only if you personally ask. So yeah, here is Team 95 Luigi and Guido, as you can see here. We got the nice card art with pictures of Maddie and her mum. Very nice. Here they are in the fan favourites line. Here is the back. We got other cars such as Team 95 and 51 Maddie, Team 51 Ramon, and Danica Cruz Ramirez with the tool cart, which is a bit of a plain release, I guess. Anyways, these are made in none other than Vietnam. So this will be my second review on Vietnam. Of course, I didn't do a review on Flow when I got my second Flow. But yeah, that's a bit unfortunate because I didn't have the time, or I just wasn't in the mood to do it. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with unboxing these, and let's try and not fail with opening these, because they are pretty hard to open, these Vietnam cars. Just be careful here. Here is the name tag. There is Guido. Here is Luigi. And please, please, please do not forget the sign, as it is most probably the most important part of this whole entire package unboxing. So yeah, here is Luigi and Guido. As you can see, I haven't put the thing in Luigi yet. So let's put Guido aside and take a quick look at the lightning bolt. It looks like it's a bit like the lightning bolt from Mattel, just very much smaller. It's got like a number 2 here. As you can see, very nice, of course. And then there's the back, nothing special. And in Luigi, there is an insert just to place it in. And once it's in, I believe it's not removable. So if I was to move it out, it would break the car. Yeah, here is fan favourites, or Team 95 and 51 Luigi. As you can see here, he looks pretty familiar to the one made in Thailand, but we're comparing the Thailand version today. So yeah, and you see the yellow is a different colour. Of course, he's got the 51 lightning bolt, I should say. There is the sides. There is the back. Here is the license plate, which reads 445-10.8, which I believe is the Ferrari coordinates for a factory or somewhere in Italy, so which is very nice, as Luigi is a die-hard Ferrari fan. They're not doing too good so far this season in Formula 1, aren't they? They got lucky in Austria with that podium. Anyways, without sidetracking, there is Luigi. Next up, here is Guido. He is my fan favourite. It's just Guido. Everyone loves a Guido. I know he speaks Italian and he doesn't speak that much English, but come on guys, you've got to love this Guido here. As you can see, he's got a little 95 sign here. Very familiar to the short called Spinning, of course. And here is the lightning bolt. It is going to the right this time. As you can see, Luigi's was going to the left. So yep, there's his nice expression. You see he is smiling there. There's a 95 board there. There's the side of Guido. We'll take a look at the China version this time. Here's the back. not too much difference. The sides, not much different. And there is the lightning bolt. Pretty cool if you ask me. We do have some other fan favourites here to show you off quickly. We've got Sarge in the box. I got these when I went to New York, got extremely lucky of how rare they are. Danica Cruz. Here we've got Maddie, which I don't even have a second one yet. This is the 95 and 51 Maddie. Here is Meta as a single, which is probably one of the rarest fan favourites out there as a single. And next we got Ramon, which again is probably kind of rare as a single. Very nice. Sheriff, I would actually say, except for Flo, is probably the rarest single out there, because you can get Meta in a 4-pack, which is pretty much a peg warmer, and now on sale actually. But yeah, as you can see, there's Sheriff, there's the back, nothing different. I do have some open cards here. We got China and Vietnam versions of Sarge here, as you can tell by the bases. China is on the left, Vietnam is on the right. So yeah, there's them. We also got the fan favourites Flo, which is one of my favourites. We also got Ramon here, Danico Ramon, of course, representing Cruz Ramirez. We also got a regular Lightning McQueen Cars 1 here, which is not actually in the series, I just brought him out to show today. Here is Maddie. And here is Luigi and Guido as fan favourites. And we also have a packaged Flo here on the side. There. Let me know in the comments below which is your all-time favourite fan favourite. Mine, of course, as I said, is Guido, and then Luigi, and then Flo. Not because of rarity, because of the amount of decals that are on them, and that they are so cool looking. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to subscribe. Leave a like, dislike if you just subscribe, and you hit that bell notification down below. To the next one. Bye guys.